Welcome back, class 6. We are going to continue with question number 5. Here we are going to talk about a machine produce 24 screws in 5 minutes. Then how long it will take to produce 10,000 screws. So here we are going we are 24 by 5, that is 24 screws in 5 minutes. So here 10,000 screws in that x minutes. Okay. So we are going to cross multiply. So 24 into x is 24x, then 5 into 10,000 we will do here. So 5 into 10,000 is 50,000. Then after that 24 will come down. So here we have to divide it. Okay. So we'll divide with 4. Okay. So 4 6 is 24. So with 4 we are going to divide. So 4 1 is 4. From here 1 carry. 4 2 is 8. From here 2 carry. 4 5 is 20. Then 0 0. Okay. Then again it is divisible by 2. 2 3 is 6. Then 2 6 is 12. 2 2 is 4. Okay, from here 1 carry, 2 5 is 10, then 0. So here 6,250 by 3 minutes. Now question number 8. It is here, not question number 8, question number 7b. This is A. Now we are going to do B. So it is said, how many screws will be produced by the machine in 1 hour? So here 1 hour means 60 minutes. So we'll keep this number as it is, 24 by 5. Is equal to, now 1 hour means 60 minutes, then number of screws here x. Okay, so we are going to do, so here 24 into 60, now 5 into x is 5x. So here x is equal to 24 into 60 by 5. 5 1 5 5 12 is 60. So we need to multiply 24 into 12. So 2 4 8. Okay, then 2 2 4, then 4 1 4, then 2 1 2. So we'll get here 288. So 288 screws. Okay. Now we are going to do question 8. So question 8 is said here, the weight of 32 magazine is 3 kg. 32 magazine 3 kg. Then here 80 magazine. Okay, 80 magazine. We don't know the weight. So here 32x is equal to 80 into 3. Okay. Then x is equal to 80 into 3 by 32. Here we will divide with 4. 4, 8 is 32. 4, 2 is 8. Then 0. Okay. Then again it is divisible by 4. 4, 2 is 8. Then 4, 5 is 20. So we got here x is equal to 5 into 3 by 2. Okay. So 5 is 15 by 2. It is 7.5 kg. How it is possible? See, 15 divided by 2 is 7. 2 7 times is 14. Then 1 left. Put decimal 0. 5 is 10. So here it is coming kg. Now question number 9. Cost of 5 bottle of mineral water is 70. So 5 bottle rupees 70. Okay. Then it is said, how much should one pay to buy 12 carat of 24 mineral water bottle? It said 24 carat. Buy 12 carat of 24 mineral water bottle. So here 12 carat, 12 into 24 we have to do. Yeah, 12 into 24 by x. Okay. So here what we need to do, cross multiply 5x, then 12 into 24 into 70. Okay. Now x is equal to 12 into 24 into 70. So here 5 will come down. 5, 1 is 5, 5 4 is 20. Okay. Then 12 into 24, we multiply over here, we got 288. So 288 into 40. So 288 into 40. 4 8 32, carry 3, 4 8 32, 33, 34, 35, carry 3, 4, 4, 2 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay. Then 8, 8, 2. So 2, then 8 plus 5, 13, then 1 carry, 8 plus 2, 10, then 1 carry, so here 4, which is 4032 rupees. Okay, so we got this much rupees. Now we are moving towards question number 9. So not 9, it's question number 10. Question number 10 is here. A car travels 130 kilometer in 2.5 hours. 130 kilometer in 2.5 hours. Okay. Now here it is asked to us, find the time required to travel 240 kilometer. So 240 kilometer we have to write here, and here hour is x hours. So we will multiply cross. Okay. So first we need to solve this. 130 by 2 to 4, 1 5. Okay. 5 by 2. Okay. Is equal to 240 by x. Okay. Now here this will get reciprocal. So here 130 into 2 by 5 is equal to 240 by x. So here 5 1 is 5. 5, 2 is 10, 5, 6 is 30. So 26 into 2 is 52 is equal to 240 by x. Here is nothing, is 1. So here what we are going to do here, 240, now here this and this get multiplied, it is 52 x is equal to 240 by 52. So we need to divide it here. So we will get in terms of hours. Okay. So here we are going to divide 240 with 52. So we know that 5 4 is 20, 4 times. 4 2 is 8, 4 5 is 20. So we got here 10 minus 8 is 2, then 3 minus 0 is 3, 0. Put the decimal, then after that here we will get 0. 5 6 times is 30. Okay, let's try with 5 times. It will not go with 6 times. So here 5 2 is 10. 5 5 is 25. It will be lesser. Let's see with 6 times only. Then 6 2 is 12. 6 5 is 30. 30 plus 1 is 31. So we got here 4.6. Then after that we'll get 8 here. Then after this is 0. So here 1. So 6 1 hours. Now next one, question number 11. Question 11 says, question number 10b is also there. This is 10a. Now we are going to do b. 10b is here. Find the distance traveled in 3 hours. So here 130. Now we'll use this. Okay. So 26, not 26, 130 by 5 by 2 is equal to, is 3 hours. So we are going to find the distance. Okay. So here 130 into 2 by 5, 5 1 5, 5 2 10, 5 6 30. Okay. Then is equal to, we'll get x by 3. So here 26 into 2 is 52 is equal to x by 3. So here x into 1 is x, then 52 into 3. So here 3 2 is 6, 3 5 is 50. So 156 kilometer. Now we are going to find next question number 11. Question 11 says to us, Sarvesh made 45 runs in 9 overs. So 45 runs, 9 overs. Okay. Then and Abhishek made 32 runs in 8 overs. So here Abhishek made 32 runs in 8 overs. Now here who made more runs? So again we are going to compare. Okay. So here 45 into 8 will do cross multiply. 32 into 9 will do. 8 5 is 40, 8 4 is 32, 32 plus 4 is 36. So this is for the first player. Who is this? First player is Service. So this is Service. Now this is Abhishek. Now 9 2 is 18, 9 3 is 27, plus 1 28. So we can say Abhishek make less run. So we can write Service made more runs than Abhishek. Now next is pour over. We have to make right here more than Abhishek, pour over. Now next is question number 12. Question 12 is here. A pipe can fill 300 liter in water in tank in 2 minutes. So here 300 liter in 2 minutes. Now another said, find the quantity of water it can fill in 30 minutes. So here in 30 minutes how much? So here 2 into x, 2x is equal to 300 into 30. We need to do here. X is equal to 300 into 30 by 2. 2 1 2, 2 15 is 30. So 15 3 is 45, then 0 0. That is 4500 liter. Now for this question number, after this question number 13. So question number 13 is here. It takes 3 hours for a tailor to stitch 2 pair of uniform. So 3 hours 2 pair of uniform. Okay. Then it is there. How long it will take to stitch 12 pair? So 12 pair x hours. Okay. So what we'll do here? 2 into x, 2x, 12 into 3. Okay. X is equal to 12 into 3 by 2. 2 1 2, 2 6 12. So we get here x is equal to 6 3 is 18 hours. Now we are moving towards question of 14. That is the last question, I think. The remaining 2 questions you can try or you can leave also. So here said a car travels 2.5 hours. So 2.5 hours 80 kilometer. Okay, 80 kilometer in 2.5. 80 kilometer in 2.5 hours. Then it is said find distance traveled by car in 6 hours. So in 6 hours how much distance it can travel? So here first we need to convert this. So here 80. So here 5 by 2 will get is equal to x by 6. Here again we will do reciprocal. 80 into 2 by 5 is equal to x by 6. 5 1 5. So here 5 1 5. Here 3 left. 5 6 is 30. Okay. So 16 is 32 is equal to x by 6. Now what we need to do here? 1 into x is x. Then 32 into 6. So here x is equal to 6 2 is 12. Carry 1. 6 3 is 18 plus 1 19. So 192 kilometer. It can travel in 6 hours. Now this chapter is over. We are going to learn another chapter in next video.